Going to study types of pollination. We had already studied about what is pollination. Now we are going to study types of pollination on the basis of their sources. First is self-pollination. Self-pollination is also termed as autogamy. Remember, whenever the term comes auto means self. So, self-pollination or autogamy, which requires bisexual flower. Bisexual flower means when anther or when androecium and gynoecium they are present in one flower. We use the term bisexual. So for self-pollination, flowers should be bisexual, or it is also termed as hermaphrodite. So you should know the another term also, bisexual, or it is also called as hermaphrodite. When stamen and pistil both are present inside one flower, we use the term bisexual. Then the offsprings are genetically identical to each other. In self-pollinated flower, offsprings means the plants which are obtained by self-pollination, they are genetically identical or they are similar to their parents. Example is pea. So inside the pea, as the flower is bisexual, self-pollination takes place. Now, see, when flower favors self-pollination, we use the term contrivances. When the plant or when the flower favors self-pollination, term used is contrivances. Now see, what are the contrivances? For self-pollination, flower should be bisexual. What is bisexual? When androecium and gynoecium they are present inside the single flower, it is termed as bisexual. Then another is homogamy. Homo, whenever the term comes homo means same. When the maturity period of anther and stigma is same, that flower is termed as homogamy. An example of homogamy is vinca or it is also called as Catharanthus roseus, or we call it as Sadafuli in Marathi, Catharanthus or vinca, or 4 o'clock plant, or it is also termed as mirabilis. You know this mirabilis jalapa. So these are the examples of homogamy. Homogamy in which anther and stigma mature at the same time, which leads to self-pollination. Another is cleistogamy. In cleistogamy, flowers remains closed. They do not open. Why they do not open? Because they have to favor self-pollination. So cleistogamy is another contrivances. Some flowers are self-pollinated. Even before the opening of flower, they are self-pollinated, means pollination takes place before opening of flower. These flowers are underground flowers. They remain underground. An example of cleistogamy is Commelina. You can search this Commelina plant. So it shows the presence of underground flowers and helps in self-pollination by cleistogamy. One term is given in book, that is chasmogamy. What is chasmogamy? Chasmogamy is the term when flower expose anther and stigma. It exposes anther and stigma, then we use the term chasmogamy. So here we had studied self-pollination. Self-pollination is also termed as autogamy. There is also another type inside this self-pollination. It is termed as geitonogamy. What is geitonogamy? In this geitonogamy, pollen grains are transferred from anther stigma of another flower of the same plant. Plant is same but flower is different. So they are genetically similar. Why they are genetically similar? Because pollination takes place within the same plant but flower is different. So the term used is geitonogamy. Geitonous means neighbor. Here from anther pollen grains are carried to the neighboring flower of the same plant. So the term used is geitonogamy. An example is Cucurbita maxima. So you can search these plants, Cucurbita, then you can also search Vinca, you can also search Mirabilis, you can search Commelina. So you will be able to find out details about this plant. Now see what is cross pollination. In cross pollination, here the pollen grains are carried from anther to the stigma of another flower of another plant. Plant is also different, so it is called as cross pollination. Here cross breeding takes place. In self pollination, inbreeding takes place. While in cross pollination, cross breeding takes place, so their plants are not, or offsprings are not genetically similar. Another term used for cross pollination is allogamy. Meaning of allo. Allo means it is different. So on the basis of this you can be able to remember the term cross pollination. And auto means self. Self pollination means autogamy. Here we are going to study about cross pollination. So in this cross pollination, pollen grains are transferred from anther to the stigma of another flower of another plant. Plant is also another of the same species. So it is called as cross pollination.